Some people look at education as a business and a money maker. But if you want these Bazukuru to have a bright future, point number 3, principle number 3 in our ideological principles is social economic transformation. Okola abantu abapya mu Uganda. How can we do it? There are 2 ways. One way is free education, Second way is to learn to stop okora ekida kyonka, okora olubuto lwokka, teach may each keken. The people of Lango, we don't want to teach may each keken. We want everybody to work for the stomach, but also for the pocket. Education. This is how we shall get a new society, a modern society. We don't want a peasant to produce another peasant. Atasoma, azali, atasoma omulala. Yaba musikira. Very bad for that. Commercial agriculture with the kibaro. Abasobola abalina amataka mugakozese okulima no involved in making animal feeds here. For chicken, for pigs, for cows, for fish. All this should be made here. I was very happy to see the exhibition there, see what the people are doing. And I've been telling my people to bring those people so that we support them. But some of my staff never bring. This time I really want to make sure that those people are supported. We want to do an exhibition here. The third area where there is jobs and money is services. Some of you are already in that sector, water borders, hotels, hospitality, musicians, and so on. That sector is already there. We shall give you more support in that sector. Finally, ICT. So therefore, thank you very much for celebrating my birthday. Thank you very much for remembering the fighters that fought with me, especially those of September. And I have told you areas: commercial agriculture, industry, services, and ICT. Then I think even you know good Kola, Amanda Wanda Soma. Magile, Chicago, Magile, Mama, from my seva, Himastazi, from my seva, management committee, Tamasumiro, Amateke Sari, Banna. So that through the 2 routes, bringing the money economy and education, we shall build a modern society. Whoever they know, whoever they Majja Anagu w'amaanyi mubadde ddala.
Tebabintumangako simanya Museveni biki tajja kujja. Muswadde okumanya muswadde waliwo kyemuwulidde nzize njogeranga okulembeze yaŋŋamba tucelebratinge ye n'abantu abalwana olutalo lw'e Katonga era yessimu gye tubaddeko olwaleero ab'e Katonga babaddewo tubadde tulina okwogera ensonga nga bwe baazitutuma tuzitegeeza